To make a spelling test with audio, we have to create our sound files first. Unfortunately, there's no audio integration in Google Forms, and so we have to do a little workaround. First thing you want to do is in your Google Drive, make a folder called voice recordings or spelling test audio or whatever you want. And we are going to use a tool called onlinevoicerecorder.com. It's free and it integrates with your Google Drive. The first thing you need to do is make sure you go to the Software Center and install something called Google Drive File Stream. Except spell Google right. Okay. It looks like this, and what it does is it puts a direct kind of path from your computer to your Google Drive and makes it easier to save files. So once you have that installed, then you're going to go to onlinevoicerecorder.com, and this is actually an old one. It looks like this when you open it. There's no need to log in. So be ready to speak your spelling word list. All you do is click on the button, spelling word number 1. Okay, once you say it, then when you go to save, down here on this side, you'll notice that you have Google Drive file stream. So this is what you installed from the Software Center. If you didn't install that, then Google Drive would not be one of your options. So maybe I want to rename this word 1, go to my Google Drive file stream, open up my drive, and then navigate to the folder that I created called Voice Recordings and save it. Okay, so it saves it as an MP3. Now I can go ahead and click on the X, and yes, I'm done, finish editing. So now I'm ready for word number 2. Spelling word number 2. Okay, click stop, and we're just going to repeat the process. We're going to save it. And this time it defaults to that same folder, so that's nice. So we're just going to rename it word 2, saves it as an MP3, click save. Oops, sorry. No. Word, sorry, 2, and then click on save. All right, so repeat that process until you have all of your audio files in your Google Drive. So next we need to go to our Google form. So I just created a new one, and I will give it a title. Spelling test, and today is August 26th. Okay, and click in here to give me my same title. And under settings, we want to go ahead and make this a quiz. Turn on make it a quiz. Release grade after each submission, that's up to you. Later after manual review, totally up to you. Respondents can see missed questions, correct answers, point values. You can make all those decisions and click on save. All right, so maybe the first question should be first name, make it required, and then I can just duplicate it and name it last name, make it required, and then I can do a new question, and here I can just put let's see, click to hear the spelling word below, or click the audio button to hear the spelling word, however you want to do your directions. Okay, and then I'm going to hit, let's see, enter. It is going to be a short answer. And I'm going to put my cursor where I want that audio file to go. I'm going to go back to my Google Drive, and I'm going to go into my voice recordings. You want to make sure that all of these voice recording settings are set to anyone with the link can view. That way they can hear it. So I'm just going to do this one time by changing the privacy settings on the folder itself. So I'm going to go down to share, and I'm going to make it so that it is anyone with the link can view. Click on done. Now any files that I put in here, the share settings will work. So I'm just going to click on this specific audio file button. You'll notice that when you open it automatically plays for the kids. And I'm going to go up to the three dots. I'm going to click on share. And I want to share the link to this specific file. So I can click on copy link. Link is now copied. I can go back up here and I can just click Control V, and that will paste the file link right under the word below. So it's not very pretty, but it works. Now I can click on required. I can go to my answer key, and I'm going to add the correct answer. So remember, this is case sensitive, so the words have to be lowercase unless it is a proper noun. So I'll just put spelling word 1. And so the kids have to type exactly what this says in order for it to be marked correct. Mark all other answers incorrect and click on done. So now that I have that, I can just duplicate it. And this is going to be replaced by my second audio file link. So let's just pretend that I pasted it there. I need to go in and change the answer key to the next word. And so I'm just going to repeat the process until I get all of my words typed in here with my audio recordings, and then the proper correct answer, so that it automatically grades the test for me. And that's it.